Hello everyone and welcome to Lisa B. Thank you so much for joining me. So this is a quick 5-minute stretch if you're sitting down a lot with your job, if you're an office worker. So just take 5 minutes to stretch. I guarantee you will feel a lot better for doing it. So just going to turn so you can see what I'm going to do for the first stretch. So take your feet, just plant them down. We're going to just do a forward fold round your back. This is a really nice stretch for your spine. So just go as low as you can. And just breathe. Take a couple of breaths here. Then we're going to start to come back up. And then we're going to take our hands onto the back of our head. Open those elbows. So you're just going to squeeze the elbows back and release. Let's go for 10. Keep looking straight ahead of you. Pull the tummy muscles in. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then we're going to just lift the arms. Inhale, exhale, twist. I'm going to put my hand on the back of the chair just to twist a little bit deeper into this. Keep your knees forward and your hips facing forward. You're twisting through the spine only. Good. Inhale, lift the arms. Exhale, twist, hand on the back of that chair. Good, come forward. And now we're going to stretch out the legs a little bit and the spine. So you're going to move one leg out to the side, so you might have to be on the edge of the chair if you've got sides. So one leg right out to the side, other leg foot on the mat, foot on the floor. So lift that arm and stretch over towards that straight leg. So get a lovely side body stretch here. Let's go to the other way. Stretch. Let's change over, so bring that leg back in. Straighten the other leg. Straighten it as much as you can. And stretch, slide the other hand down. Keep the neck long. Stretch the other way. Good. And then let's stretch those hips a little bit. Sitting down a lot is not great for the hip flexors, so you're going to place your ankle on the knee. You're going to stay there, and then you're going to keep the back nice and long, and then we're going to fold forward. So you should now, if your left ankle is crossed over, if your left leg is on top, you should be feeling this in your left hip and glute. So go as low as you can with keeping that back flat. Everyone will be different levels of flexibility here. So you can use a little bit of pressure on this knee to push it down. Come up, change over. Again, fold forward. Go as low as you can. And if you're here and you can't bend forward because you've got that problem with the flexibility in your back, that's fine. A little bit of pressure to, again, I'm feeling this in my hip and the glute on my right side because my right leg is on top. And come up. And then I'm just going to straighten my legs on the side so you can see. I wish I had a spinning chair. I need a spinning chair here. Legs straight. So inhale, fold forward. Don't fall off the chair. Make sure the chair isn't on wheels here. That would be an epic fail. Or make sure the chair is pushed against the wall. So really straighten the legs. So you should be feeling it in the calves and the hamstrings. Come up. Again, hands on the back of the head. We're going to twist the spine. So keep looking straight ahead of you. We're going to inhale, twist to the right. 3 pulses. 1, 2, 3. Hips stay forward. Inhale. Exhale to the left. 1, 2, 3. Inhale. Exhale. 1, 2, 3. Inhale. 1, 2, 3. Last time. Inhale. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. center. You're going to bring your elbows into the ribs. We're going to open and close. Open and close. So keep doing that. So your elbows are glued to the ribs. So this is just a nice way to open the shoulders. If you're like that at a computer all day, you tend to go into that rounded shoulder. Keep those elbows in. 4, 3, 2, 1, and then let the head fall directly to the side. So head to the left, ear goes towards that shoulder. You can use the opposite hand to pull that shoulder down, just stretching out the neck. We all get a lot of tension in the neck. Up and over, directly to the side, lengthen this side of the neck. I hope this is making you feel good. Please comment below, let me know if you'd like some more of these videos for office workers, or if you sit down a lot, or if you've got a bad back, this is great as well. And come up, and we are done. And you know what, if you haven't got 5 minutes to stop and pause and do these stretches, I can't help you. Yeah, so but just do it 5 minutes a day. It will really help, I promise. I hope you're feeling good. I have a whole playlist of stretches. Subscribe if you haven't already. Couldn't speak then. I hope you're feeling good in this crazy world. Sending you lots of love. Try and stay well mentally and physically, and I hope to see you soon.